Good evening. Northern Ireland's Health Minister Robin Swann has said people deserve better as he asked for support and funding to rebuild the health service. Many patients have been left waiting longer for treatment after the coronavirus pandemic saw many procedures having to be delayed. Mr. Swann said the pandemic hit the health service after 10 years of financial stringency and short-termism had already taken a toll. He further said he is determined to put this right, but emphasized that he needs the support of the Stormont Assembly and Executive to tackle the absolutely dire waiting lists. Our health service prides itself on being available to all, free at the point of access. I will today contend that we are in grave danger of undermining this essential feature of our health service. Health Minister Robin Swann. Mr. Swann described the current one-year budget as extremely disappointing, explaining the health service needs a significant and recurrent funding commitment from the executive. In a statement to the Assembly, Mr. Swann said detailed plans are being finalized on both waiting times and cancer care. These will shortly be issued for public consultation, as will a review of urgent and emergency care, he said. Read more. Recovery plan to address issues with knee cancer services. Mr. Swann added that the pandemic has had a significant impact on our already appalling waiting lists, and that it had also highlighted serious long-established fragilities in the health and social care system, especially in terms of staffing capacity. Another news. A mum has left people stunned after she revealed how much her son weighed when she gave birth. TikTok user Atani117 asked mums to share their stories of birthing big babies, and one mum definitely delivered. In a bid to claim the top spot, @Shans1588 replied to the video, revealing that her second son weighed roughly 6.5 kilograms. Next tonight. Following a few years as Peter Beale on EastEnders between 2013 and 2015 and an appearance on Call the Midwife, Ben Hardy has gone on to take Hollywood by storm. Ben is famous on this side of the pond for his time on EastEnders as Peter Beale, where his storylines included Peter's relationship with both Lauren Branning, Jacqueline Jossa, and Lola Pierce, Danielle Harold, and the unforgettable Who Killed Lucy narrative. And finally, each of the One Direction members, Liam Payne, Niall Horan, Harry Styles, Louis Tomlinson and Zayn Malik have had massive international success since going their separate ways. That's all for me. We're back with the latest at 10:30 tonight. For the Everyone on the News Tonight team, have a very good evening to you. Good night.